Ian. What do you want? Can you let me in? I'm not gonna let you in my room, Oh, come on, please. No, last time I let you in my room, you hit me in the face with a sword made of Legos. Fine. I'll just use the sonic screwdriver guy yesterday. It's not a real sonic screwdriver, it. See? Told you it worked. No, it doesn't. I just opened the door. No, I got this. It works. You got this at a pawn shop. For $57. It's a piece of plastic from a TV show. Why'd you take it? No, it works. The guy told me. No, it doesn't work. No, he told me it works, and I just opened your door, so. I really hate you.
Wait, what? Shut off the screwdriver!